Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to divide a fraction by a fraction. There are two examples. We will follow these four steps to divide a fraction by a fraction. Look at this. This is fraction, this is division sign, and this is an other fraction. The first step is keep. It means 3 by 4 will remain same. Write down the first fraction as it is. It means 3 over 4 will remain same. Next step is switch. We will write multiplication instead of division. Multiplication is inverse of division, so we will switch division sign and write multiplication sign inverse of division sign. Next step is flip. Flip means you will write denominator on the numerator means 7 and numerator is going to be denominator means 1. When you will apply multiplication sign instead of division sign, the next fraction will flip reciprocal. 7 by 1 is reciprocal of 1 over 7. So fourth step is multiply. We will just multiply 3 to 7 means numerator multiply to numerator and denominator will multiply to denominator. It means 3 times 7 21 and 4 times 1 it will become 4. So last step is simplify. We will simplify 21 dividing by 4. How we will divide? Simply we will divide 21 in the division sign and 4 outside the division sign. We know that 5 times 4 20, so we will multiply 4 to 5, it will become 20. After subtraction it will become 1. So 1 we write on this place, 5 we write on this place and 4 we write on this place. Look at this, 5 on this place, 4 on the denominator's place and 1 on the numerator place. So this is the answer of example 1. Similarly 2 over 3 will remain same. Keep. Switch. We will write multiplication inverse of division sign. This step is switch. Third step is flick, means reciprocal of second fraction, means 5 is going to be numerator and 2 is going to be denominator. Fourth step is multiply. We will just multiply 5 2s are 10, 3 times 2 6. We will just divide 10 in the division sign and 6 outside the division sign. 6 ones are 6, 10 minus 6 it will become 4. So 4 we write on this place, 1 we write on this place and 6 we write on this place. 4 on the top, 1 on the side and 6 on the denominator place. 6. This is the answer of second example.